Jai Sriman
Rama entered into Dasaratha Maharaju's palace. Rama has seen Dasaratha Maharaju along with Kaikeyi. Rama has seen Dasaratha Maharaju's face. It is so pale and so much of worry it is expressing. To such father, Rama went very close and then did namaskaram. Sapituhu charanau purvam abhivadya vinitavat. He did namaskaram to Dasaratha Maharaju. Tato vavande charanau Kaikeyaha. Rama did namaskaram to Kaikeyi. Then Dasaratha Maharaju, all of a sudden, he just addressed Rama. That's all. He could not speak further. Iti uktvacha vachanam bashpa paryakulekshanaha. When Rama has seen Dasaratha Maharaju, his both eyes filled up with tears. Dasaratha Maharaju was unable to see Rama. Dasaratha Maharaju was unable to speak to Rama. No words are coming out of his mouth. Such situation Rama has seen, and then in general, originally Rama would never get worried and never feel any kind of stress, even if there are thousands of troubles attacks him at once. Such great Rama, such strong Rama got immediately scared after seeing his father, just like as and how if someone accidentally steps on a huge snake, with that kind of, to that extent of fear Rama got. To that extent Rama got scared after seeing his father like that, thinking that maybe he is the reason for Dasaratha Maharaju's worry. With that kind of doubt, with that kind of concern, he immediately started thinking that whatever the tension my father used to feel, the moment he sees me, he feels so happy. He speaks to me very happily, irrespective of how much ever stress and how much ever tension he is in. That kind of father is not able to not speaking to me at all. Rama started getting so much worried and started addressing Kaikeyi Mata. Oh Mata, is there anything that I did something wrong? Please let me know. Kaschinmaya naparadham. Did I do anything wrong to my father? Please let me know. Vivarna vadano dino nahimam abhibhashate. Why my father is not speaking to me at all, not talking to me at all, the one who always used to talk to me very, very happily. Oh Mata, is anything wrong? Is anything happened? Is everything okay with his health? Is he doing health-wise okay? Is anything bothering him? With meditation upon Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Sita Rama, He He Sita Rama. Jai Srimannarayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Srimannarayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least 1 Gita sloka. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Srimannarayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.